one of the better female traders who like I know can validate their large accounts, can validate their large growth. True no stop loss girl. Was tried and true no stop loss girl. Tried and true through and through. Now that I know what I know now, and now that I'm where I'm at in my trading career, I don't do things that way, obviously. But not to knock her way of doing things. She's got her own set of rules and ways of doing things, and it works for her. So having said that, I'm not saying that a stop loss is, you have to have one to be profitable. There are plenty of people who don't have one and are profitable. So I'm going to start with that. This is particularly for Lisa. Secondly, I'm going to say, I feel like, back to the YouTube shaming for the day, seems to be the topic. I feel like a lot of people all over the internet are like 2 pip stop loss. As we just discussed with Scott and the ATM and the slippage alone, the spread winding alone, I feel like I want to see their account. Like I want to see their valid account, okay, with a 2 pip stop loss, because unless it's a no spread broker or like, I don't know what the situation is, these pairs sneeze 2 pips, okay, even on your perfect Euro USD kind of easy to trade pairs that have minimal to next to nothing, spreads, a 2 pip stop loss, to get this, 20 to 1 risk to reward. I just don't feel like it's duplicatable long term over different sessions and markets and pairs. So I'm being super specific in that, right? Super specific. I just don't think these 2 and 4 pip stop losses that people say are plausible or they're trading with, unless they're manually closing at that time, not applying one like that. There are variables, but I don't think it is duplicatable across differing pairs, sessions, and market. I just don't. Just period, across the board.